Hi guys, today we've got here Honor View 20 and let me show you how to check total screen time. At first, open the settings. Then find and select digital balance right here. Click on start to activate it. Mark if this device is yours or your kiddo, then you will be able to activate parental control. But let me set it for myself. And as you can see here, you've got screen time. Once it is set, you will open it right from digital balance. You will not have to set it up again and again. So this is it. Here you can detect time spent on screen, on particular apps. If you want to add some balance pin, just activate it here and smoothly set, so only you've got access to your digital balance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.